Welcome back to another quick and helpful Android tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable JavaScript in Google Chrome on your Android phone or tablet. If certain websites are not loading correctly, videos are not playing, or interactive features are missing, then JavaScript may be disabled on your browser. Opening the Google Chrome browser on your device. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap the three dots icon to open the More menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings, which is represented by a gear icon. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page where you can customize your browsing preferences. Now, scroll down until you find the Advanced section, then tap on Site Settings. Inside this menu, you'll see different permissions and website controls for Chrome. Next, scroll down and tap on JavaScript under the Content section. Here you'll find the option called Sites can use JavaScript. Simply tap the toggle button to enable it. Once enabled, websites will be able to use JavaScript properly, allowing videos, animations, login pages, and interactive features to work smoothly in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more professional Android tips, Chrome tutorials, and easy tech guides.